Mounting the LokkLatch Series 3 for round posts is quick and easy on most gates. The latch comes with a range of adapters to suit the most common round post sizes. Determine if your gate is left or right swinging. Take the supplied rear mounting bracket and fit it to the back of the latch in the correct opening direction and insert the 2 fixing screws. Use the supplied round post adapters if required. Mount the latch assembly to the round fence post using the supplied fixing screws. Fit the striker assembly to the gate post using the supplied adapter if required, and mount using the supplied fixing screws. Adjust the striker vertically so that the horizontal striker pin fits neatly into the V of the latch. Now test the operation of the latch. If adding the external button kit, take the supplied threaded connecting rod and insert the hook end into the small hole behind the latch trip plate. Fit the other end of the rod into the push button assembly. Fit the push button cover and screw in the 4 fixing screws. Test the push button feature. Installation is now complete.